Hey friends, if you wish to find out which all USB devices have been connected to your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Simply open the File Explorer and go to this PC. It will show USB drives here. For example, it says USB drive E drive. This is a connected USB drive. Another method for checking this is to search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Okay, now if you scroll through it, one would be the extensible host controllers, one would be composite devices, and one would be USB root hubs. Anything other than this, for example, USB mass storage device, is the USB which is connected. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.